Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Ruger. Just want to give an update on the garage. As you guys remember before from one of my previous videos, the garage was just like everyone else, a place for storage, a place where anything we weren't using at the time or we're going to use later or just stuff we might throw away was sitting. So it was unusable. It's getting a lot better. As you can see, we're currently organizing, kind of moving stuff, getting rid of stuff. There's all our stuff. Again, we do have the dryer hookup in the garage. Got everything in here. But if you guys recall, there was shelving on the walls. On this side here, there was shelving that kind of pushed everything this way. This here gets the back, as you can kind of see the old outline. I need to patch some holes and paint that. That pushed the back part in. And then lastly, there was some shelving on this side that kind of pushed, again, the garage in. And that just reduced your usable parking space. And to me, I just thought, hey, let's either do it all on one side, or let's be able to make it more modular and be able to move stuff. And again, currently we're still organizing things, moving things around. But before, it was really hard. This spot got really hot, then it got really cold in the winter. The garage door was super old. It was aluminum, kind of tilt up. It wasn't insulated, so let in the heat, let in the cold. It didn't have a good seal, so it let in the dust, the spiders, sometimes water. A lot better door. This one is insulated, so happy with that. But here's how the garage is looking. And it's going to be a while before we're finally done. I do want to relocate the dryer inside the house. But that would mean moving that gas line inside, or shutting this one off and placing a gas line inside. And then also, as you can see, this side has yet to be insulated. So there is insulated. And this one is not. It's not drywalled either. So, more to come. I think the whole point of this video is use the space you have wisely. A lot of times we have, whether it be a shed, we have a backyard, a front yard, a porch, a balcony, a garage, an extra spare room. And the way we have things laid out, it's not efficient. It's disorganized. We have a lot of clutter, a lot of trash. We need to make sure we're using everything to our full advantage. A lot of times we want a bigger house. We want to buy a rental property or a bigger car just because we say, hey, it's not good. It's not really, I'm not be able to use it, or I want more, I need more. But I think sometimes we need to slow down and use what we have and just organize things, fix it up. This space here is now a lot more enjoyable with the 80% done. I do hope to change out the lights. Pretty annoying. But yeah, this space, again, really enjoyable. Better in the heat, better in the winter. More room to walk around, not as messy, not as dirty. And at the end, it's gonna look a lot better. So I gotta paint this side here. Kind of start with the primer. But that side's looking good. So again, yeah, use what you have. If you don't, you're just gonna spend more money. But we need to be more efficient, utilize more of what we have. But this is just your update 2 for the garage. And then hopefully soon we can finish up, organize everything, paint everything, and then I'll make a final video. But have a good day, everyone. Stay safe.